Presenting HP Pavilion Plus, a laptop in color natural silver. It comes with Windows 11 OS and weighs only 1.41 kilograms. Powered by Intel Core i7 processor. This HP laptop can handle anything thrown at it. The processor has 10 cores, 12 threads, and 12 megabytes of cache memory. All these combined with the 4.7 GHz max boost facilitate smooth multitasking. The laptop runs on Windows 11 Home Edition operating system and comes with Office Home and Student 2021. With 16 GB of DDR4 RAM, the HP laptop allows excellent multitasking without any load. This combined with Intel Iris Xe graphics delivers decent pictures. The HP laptop comes with 1 TB of SSD storage that offers good space to store your important files and gives fast performance. The laptop draws power from a lithium-ion battery that gives a decent battery life. 14 inches diagonal Full HD display gives this laptop a vast screen area for an immersive viewing experience for work and play. The Micro Edge screen has a resolution of 1920 by 1080 pixels. It has a refresh rate of 90 Hz and comes with features like bright view and low blue light for better eye protection. There's an HP dual speaker setup with HP Boost and powered by Bang & Olufsen to deliver loud, clear and immersive audio. The laptop sports Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity and comes with 1 SuperSpeed USB Type-C port, 1 DisplayPort 1.4, 2 SuperSpeed USB Type-A ports and 1 HDMI 2.1 port, 1 AC smart pin, 1 headphone/microphone combo. The box contains the laptop and power adapter. This laptop comes with standard brand warranty.